Lisa Rowberry here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to part 2 of my June haul. I decided to separate the hauls just because that first box, majority of that was the summer collection, so I decided to separate it out, and now we've got a bigger box to jump into that's more just like traditional things, if I remember correctly. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So as always, Scentsy packages everything really, really well. If you are in the middle of moving or know somebody who is, Scentsy's got you covered for all the packing stuff. Okay, so I've got 2 packs of our cotton cleanups. These things are amazing. I love these. Essentially, it is a giant cotton ball that you will dip into your warmers to clean up the wax. It's essentially doing exactly what it's titled. It is a cotton cleanup. So these are great. They come in a pack of 25. So one of these is for me, but one of these is for a girlfriend. I got her hooked on these. She's like, these are genius. So makes the cleanup on Wax Wednesday or whatever day you change out your wax super, super easy. If you did not see my little demo of this, I'll link that video down below so you can see how this works and how amazing these things are. It makes your life so easy when it's time to change out your wax. So, okay. Now, I forgot I have a warmer. Oh, that's so exciting. Oh, but first, I don't think I have these in the box. Okay, I've got a tub of washer whiffs. This is the gateway drug to Scentsy. I love the washer whiffs. This is my favorite product of the laundry line. The washer whiffs, all it's doing, it's not a soap. All it's doing is making your laundry smell amazing. So I get this in the Laundry Love bundle, which comes with the laundry liquid. It comes with a tub. Of the washer whiffs. It comes with 2 packs of the dryer discs, and then I also get the Scent Soft along with it. So that's in addition to the Laundry Love bundle. So, but it's super, super great. And my new favorite scent, and I can't even believe I'm saying this just because I was always like, nothing is going to smell as good as Jammy Time. I still love Jammy Time. It is definitely, it's a tie between Jammy Time and Lavender Cotton. Lavender Cotton is my new favorite in the laundry line. So what I've done is I've separated my laundry. So Jammy Time is used in the Rowberry household for towels and for sheets and like the bedding and everything. That's Jammy Time. Clothes is exclusive to Lavender Cotton. Lavender Cotton smells so, so good. I love it so much. So, okay. So that's what I have there. And I'm telling you, packing for days. So let's go ahead. There's another box in here, but let me go ahead and take out this warmer. Okay, I need another warmer. Like, I need a hole in the head. I don't need another warmer, but I have been on the fence about do I need this warmer? Do I need this warmer? I needed this warmer. So I'm so excited to actually unbox this with you. Let me, because this is super, super awkward. Gotta love unboxing videos because your girl here does not edit. So it just is what it is. So, okay. All right. I decided to go for the Mosaic Mist warmer. I am so excited about this. Obviously, you're just seeing a black and white picture here. Okay. And I love the attention to detail. Inside of all of our warmers, you have little quotes on the inside of each box. This one is from Orville, who is our CEO. There's always a way to look at the world that can make you happy. So nice little positive quotes here. And then it's got the Scentsy mission on the other tab. So let's go ahead and jump right in. And on top here, it comes with a warning. So the warning is this product may contain sharp edges. Use caution when assembling and handling. This is coming with any of our warmers that have like pieces of glass because it's not going to be a smooth finish. So just be aware of that. I've never run into any instances where people are getting cut on our warmers or anything, but I guess you just have to cover all your bases, right? Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I decided to go with this. Okay, so The Mosaic Mist Warmer obviously is a mosaic style. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty this is. I love this so much. So it is a beautiful like royal blue on the bottom here, and then it fades up to teal and then green and yellow. This is beautiful. I love the imperfections of the different rectangular glass shapes, and then you've got some circle and oval glass shapes. I just love this so much. If you are someone who is super picky and you're kind of a perfectionist and you don't like imperfections, this is not the warmer for you, because as you can see, like there's even over here, like there's some like plaster or whatever it is that's like gluing these tiles together, but that's okay. Like that's the beauty of this piece, is the little imperfections, and you're gonna see little like chips here, and that's, like I said, that's okay. That's the beauty of this piece, is those little imperfections. So if that's something that bothers you, I wouldn't go for a warmer like this, but of course I'm gonna have to light it up for you guys, because I want to see what this looks like too. And all of our warmers do come with a light bulb, so you won't need to purchase a separate light bulb unless you want like one of the cool colored light bulbs, or if you just want to have a couple on hand. But you won't have to have one because it's coming with one. So I think this is a 25 watt. Yes, this is a 25 watt bulb. Okay, so I'm just gonna screw it in like so. Perfect. And then we've got another, so this particular warmer in the box, the dish is actually on the bottom. Majority of our warmers, actually the dish is sitting on top. So just know that when you take the warmer itself out and it doesn't have that dish on top, there's a little styrofoam piece on the bottom. Underneath that is going to be your warmer dish. So just be aware of that. Okay. Nice deep dish, which I'm a fan of. So just a clear dish. There is a little number on the bottom here that says number 4. That's just letting you know, that's Scentsy just letting you know, don't use more than 4 cubes of wax in this dish at a time. I tend to just use 2 cubes of wax in all of my warmers. That works just fine for me. But if you want to use 3, go for it. If you want to use 4, go for it. Just don't use more than 4. So that just sits, the dish just sits right on top, just like that. Okay, should we plug her in? I think we should. Styrofoam everywhere. Okay. I think this would look really cool with one of our colored bulbs too. Like our yellow bulb, our green bulb. I wish we made blue bulbs. I think that would be pretty cool. Okay. Shall we check out the magic? Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. I'm so glad I got this. Like I said, this was one that I've been eyeing ever since it was shown in the new catalog. I knew I wanted it, but I was just like, well, do I really need another warmer? Yes, I do. So pretty. I love this so much. So this is the Ocean, is it Ocean? No, not Ocean Mosaic. Mosaic Mist. Ocean Mosaic is a different warmer. This is Mosaic Mist. So pretty. Love this. And that is available. I should know this offhand, but I don't. Let's see here. How much is this one? This one in the US is $45. Excuse me. So $45, worth every penny. This is a beautiful, beautiful warmer. Let me move this off to the side and let's see what else is in this box, shall we? Okay, clear some space here. And now we've got another box. Let's see. It's gonna be my other laundry products, I'm sure. More packing. Like I said, if you or anyone you know is looking to move, You will have them set with packing paper. Okay, I have a 3-pack of scent circles. These are great to just have on hand. My husband's favorite is aloe, water, and cucumber. This goes in all of, I say all of his vehicles, like he has 7,000, but in his work vehicle as well as his truck, he loves this. Then I got one in Luna, and then also Blue Grotto. So these are super great. I prefer the Car Bar, me personally. I think they are stronger, they last longer, but like my husband, he doesn't want his car to be like super overpowering with scent, so the scent circles work just fine for him, so got those. And like I was mentioning before, I've got my 2 packs of dryer discs in lavender cotton. And I've got my Scent Soft in lamvender cotton, and I have my laundry liquid in lavender cotton. You guys, it's so good. It's, you know me, you know I love jammy time more than anything, but so this just tells you just how good this is. And I'm not one who really loves lavender scents. They're fine. This is so good. Lavender cotton. Yes, it's so good. Okay, and now we have our Mylar pouch. So, like I mentioned in the last video, during the warmer months, Scentsy is going to protect your bars with these Mylar pouches with an ice pack inside just to protect it. So, when you see that, don't be alarmed. And I apologize for the loud noise. Give me my bars. Okay. Ice pack. Like I said, you can reuse these. These are super great if you go camping or if you're packing lunches or anything and you need like extra ice packs. Throw these in your freezer and reuse them. They are amazing. So I have, this is actually an order that is not for me. This is a girlfriend here. So she grabbed 6 of these scent of the month, which is Squeeze the Day. You guys, Squeeze the Day, the scent of the month is so good. You know, I am not one who loves lemon scents because I'm super picky with the lemon scents. They tend to smell like furniture cleaner to me. It's too much. I don't know if it's too zesty. I always say zesty. It's too furniture polish. This is so good. It is on the verge of smelling bakery, like it's a sugary sweet lemon scent. Mix this with sugar cookie, it's gonna rock your world. Ugh, I love this so much. Went into my Scentsy Club because I don't want to be without this. This is the perfect lemon scent. Oh yes. So my girlfriend that lives in my neighborhood here, she grabbed 6 of these. She will not be sorry. I also decided to grab, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's her 6th. I also grabbed a Camu. This is an amazing scent for the summertime. It is super tropical, super fruity, so good. Love this one, Camu. I also grabbed a Pina Colada Cha-Cha, which is perfect for the summertime as well. It smells exactly like what you want it to smell like. It smells like a pina colada. You got the coconut, you get the pineapple. Oh, it's so good. I love it. So good. Next, I grabbed, because you can never have too many. In fact, in that other box I already had, I had one in the other one. So I've got 2 bars of sugar cookie because like I said, you can never have too much sugar cookie. This is amazing by itself. It's an amazing mixer. If you want something to have a little bit more of a bakery scent to it, mix it with sugar cookie. It's going to give you everything you wish for and more. But like I said, it's even good just by itself. Sugar cookies, amazing. I also grabbed another staple in our household, which is vanilla bean buttercream. So sugar cookie, you're getting more of that cookie note, where vanilla bean buttercream, you're getting that rich vanilla buttercream frosting. So there's the difference there. It's delicious though. Last 2, I grabbed another Camu. And the last bar that I've got to share with you is Pineapple Coconut Vanilla. And this is one that tends to fly under my radar just a little bit, just because I don't know why. I wish I could tell you why. But whenever I smell this and whenever I warm it, then I'm like, I do like this. I like it a lot. It's not heavy on the pineapple. It's just more of it's sweet, it's a sweet coconut. You get the vanilla, but there's almost like, I get kind of a slight floral note to this as well. And that's what I really like about it. It's different from your standard pineapple coconut. Like it's not gonna smell like your pina colada. It doesn't smell like that. You get a little bit more of a floral note to this, which is so beautiful. So I love that. So pineapple, coconut, vanilla. Is that it? Is that it? That's it. So that is part 2 of my June haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts are on any of this. If you've picked up this beautiful warmer, if you have tried our laundry products, what your favorite scents are going on right now, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video where we are going to be unboxing the June whiff box together. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.